good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and you already see what it is on the desk, guys. Shout out Pitaka. We got the Fusion weaving case, the brand new aramid fiber weaving style. This is for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, guys. Very dope case. Y'all know I've been rocking with Pitaka for a minute. Love their cases, love these aramid fibers and the way they weave them. Very dope. So I'm excited to check out this Fusion weaving case, guys. As you can see, let's check out the back. New Fusion weaving tech is MagSafe compatible. Excellent 3D feel in the hand, guys. That's one thing I love about these cases is their texture, and you could get up with Pitaka on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, guys. Alternative Tech Life. You know it's all about that tech. I'm BG Tech Life. Let's get this out of the box, guys. Let's go ahead and get this open. As you can see, we got some fire going on, guys. We definitely got some fire going on. We got the green colorway with the red racing stripes and the black, guys. Very fire type case. And you can see that Pitaka branding, and you can almost see, the way that these aramid fibers are woven, guys, to make these cases. And we got some protection around that camera, guys. So funny thing is, and it's MagSafe compatible, guys. Very dope. I've wanted to check one of these out for a minute, guys. Wanted something super minimal on my S22 Ultra, and here we go. I'm trying out something very minimal here. As you can see, nice and open down here for the Type-C, your microphone and speaker, and your S Pen, guys. So the texture of the case is nice, guys. I really like how it feels. I always love the textures of these cases. Sometimes they do take the oil off your hand, but just a very quality, very dope, very different style of case. Not a lot of people are gonna have this. When you got this, you kind of almost got like a one-of-one. Very dope. As you can see, even the weaving at the top and the sides, A1, guys. It's gonna be a very minimal case. If you are into screen protectors, you definitely can rock a screen protector. And if you want to, definitely should rock a screen protector. With this case, I'm not a screen protector guy. I just do my thing. I don't like screen protectors at all because they mess up the feeling of the screen to me, but I love these minimal cases. So let's go ahead and just throw my S22 Ultra in this thing. Easy snap on, guys. And one thing I can tell you off rip, this is fire. First of all, let's just say this is fire. This is the first time me seeing this phone in this case right here. This is fire. And at the same time, I like how I see no white. It just canceled out all the white. Very dope, guys. Let's take a look at the top. As you can see, you just see the microphone cut out. Look at the bottom, you see the Type-C and everything. You got cut off for everything you need. Of course, on this, you're not gonna have no raised lip protection, guys, but I like how it cut out the white, guys. That's very dope. You don't see any white, you just see the case. Even though it's very minimal, they was ready to get the white out the way. You can still see the chrome bezels. It does protect the back, but this is just a fire case from Pitaka, guys. I'm definitely gonna be rocking this thing. This thing is not coming off after this video. This is fire. It's your man BG Tech Life. I'm definitely gonna put links down in the description. I'm out. Peace.